Each year, more than 787 million tons of wheat are cultivated globally, making it a cornerstone of the world's food supply for billions of people. But have you ever wondered how this essential crop is grown and harvested? What steps are involved, and what innovations are driving higher yields? Join us as we dive into the captivating journey of wheat production in the video below. The journey of wheat begins with meticulous soil preparation to ensure optimal conditions for the crop. The soil is plowed or tilled to improve aeration, retain moisture, and eliminate weeds. Once the land is ready, the next crucial step is sowing, where modern seeding machinery plays a pivotal role. These machines are equipped with depth and spacing controls, ensuring that seeds are distributed evenly and accurately across large areas, thereby enhancing germination rates and promoting healthy plant growth. Wheat requires careful attention, particularly during critical stages such as germination and flowering. While wheat is known for its drought resistance, a lack of water during these phases can significantly affect its growth. This is where irrigation systems become essential, playing a crucial role in maintaining moisture levels, ensuring stable plant development, and ultimately helping the crop achieve high yields. Pest control is a crucial factor in safeguarding crops and ensuring stable agricultural production. Regular monitoring helps detect and address potential issues promptly, using methods such as pesticide spraying, fungicide application, or even employing biological solutions to protect crops and maintain optimal yields. Today, wheat harvesting is primarily carried out using modern combine harvesters, which significantly improve productivity, reduce labor costs, and optimize the quality of the harvested grain. These machines can perform multiple tasks simultaneously, including cutting, threshing, separating the grains, and cleaning, making the harvesting process faster and more efficient compared to traditional manual methods. Equipped with automation technology, grain moisture sensors, and GPS systems, these combine harvesters optimize movement paths for maximum efficiency. These innovations not only help reduce grain loss, but also ensure timely harvesting, which enhances the quality of wheat and minimizes post-harvest losses. Each modern combine harvester can harvest an average of 80 to 100 tons of wheat per hour, depending on field conditions, crop moisture, and operating speed. With their continuous operation and large hopper capacity, these machines allow farmers to shorten harvesting time while minimizing losses due to weather or unfavorable environmental conditions. After harvesting, wheat undergoes several processing stages before becoming a widely consumed product. First, the wheat is transported to processing plants where it is thoroughly cleaned to remove impurities such as stones, dirt, and severely damaged grains. This process uses advanced multi-stage sieving systems, powerful air blowers, and vacuum machines to ensure the grains reach the highest level of purity. Next, the wheat is sorted by size and quality through modern automatic sorting systems, which may utilize advanced laser scanning technology or sensors to ensure superior consistency. The wheat that meets the standard is then safely stored or packaged according to customer requirements. The process of grinding wheat into flour is a crucial step in the entire processing sequence. The process begins by removing the outer hard husk, followed by grinding the endosperm into fine flour using high-powered roller mills or high-speed disc mills. Afterward, the flour is carefully sifted to remove any small impurities before being packaged for distribution to the market. The automated packaging line performs the process quickly and accurately, measuring and packaging the flour into specialized packaging to protect the product's quality. Each package is sealed, undergoes quality inspection, and is labeled with essential information such as production and expiration dates before being shipped to distribution centers, retail stores, or food processing plants. Wheat stands as one of the most vital cereals globally, with an impressive production of over 781 million tons annually. China takes the lead, producing more than 130 million tons, which accounts for nearly 17.7% of the global output, mostly for domestic consumption. On the export side, Russia, the United States, and the European Union dominate the market. Conversely, Egypt, Indonesia, and Turkey are the largest importers, with Egypt topping the list, bringing in over 10 million tons of wheat every year. Overall, the wheat industry plays a crucial role in the global economy, providing a primary food source for billions of people and creating jobs for millions. From farmers to processing workers and export traders. Thanks to the integration of modern technologies, such as mechanized production and biotechnology, both the productivity and the quality of the products continue to improve, driving the industry forward. And that wraps up today's video. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the wheat industry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on more exciting content. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Next, join us as we embark on a deep dive into the fascinating world of rambutan cultivation in Thailand. Renowned worldwide for its lush tropical climate, Thailand provides the perfect environment to grow a wide array of exotic fruits. Among these, rambutan stands out with its distinct, juicy appearance, offering a sweet, fresh flavor with a hint of tartness. This video will guide you through every step of the rambutan cultivation process in Thailand, from seed selection to harvesting and beyond. The journey to successful rambutan cultivation begins with selecting the best seeds or, more commonly, grafted saplings, which are preferred for their higher yield potential within a shorter period. These grafted saplings are typically 1 to 2 years old and ready for transplanting into the fields. The key to successful rambutan cultivation lies in the careful preparation of the soil. Rambutan trees thrive in loamy, well-drained soil rich in organic matter, ensuring optimal growth conditions for the plants. Before planting, the soil is carefully plowed and enriched with organic fertilizers to enhance its fertility. In Thailand, the soil pH is maintained between 5.0 and 6.5 to provide the best conditions for growth. Raised beds are commonly used in rambutan farms to prevent waterlogging, as excessive moisture can damage the tree's roots. This method ensures that the soil remains well drained, promoting healthy root development. The young saplings are placed in holes about 3 feet deep and wide to provide the roots with ample space to grow. The distance between each tree is set at 40 feet, ensuring that every plant receives adequate sunlight and air circulation, which are crucial for healthy development. After planting, the saplings are watered immediately to help settle the soil around the roots and create a solid foundation. The first few years of a rambutan tree's life are vital in establishing a healthy and productive orchard. During this period, special care is required to ensure the development of a strong root system, and watering the tree canopy is essential, especially during Thailand's dry season. Drip irrigation, DP, is widely used to provide a stable water supply without causing waterlogging. The trees need to be watered regularly, but care must be taken to avoid oversaturation, which can lead to root rot. This delicate balance is key to promoting healthy growth and fruit production. Fertilizing is another crucial aspect of rambutan care during the first year. A balanced mixture of organic fertilizers, including cow manure powder, cake NE, and bone meal, is used to support the growth of the trees as they mature. The amount and frequency of organic fertilization increase by the 4th year. The amount of cow manure powder is significantly increased to promote fruit development. Farmers in Thailand also apply organic fertilizers twice a year to maintain soil fertility and meet the nutritional. Pruning plays a crucial role in controlling the growth of rambutan trees. Without pruning, these trees can grow up to 80 feet, making harvesting a challenge. Therefore, Thai farmers typically prune the trees to a height of 10 to 15 feet to make fruit harvesting easier and cover the trees with nets to protect them from birds. Regular pruning also helps maintain the overall health of the trees by removing dead or weak branches, allowing more energy to be directed towards fruit production. Pest management is an ongoing task in rambutan cultivation. While rambutan trees are generally resilient, they are not entirely immune to pests such as fruit flies and root rot. Farmers use organic methods like neem oil emulsions to protect their trees from infestations. Regular monitoring of orchards is essential to detect and address any pest issues before they escalate into significant problems. Rambutan trees typically begin to bear fruit after 4 to 5 years, depending on the variety and growing conditions. In Thailand, the fruiting season generally lasts from June to November, with peak harvest periods in July and August. The first sign that rambutan is ready for harvest is the color change from green to bright red or yellow, depending on the variety. The fruit should be plump, with its characteristic hairy strands, or rambut, standing out. Timing is crucial, as harvesting too early or too late can affect the fruit's taste and shelf life. The harvesting process requires skill and precision, as the fruit is easily bruised if not handled carefully. In Thailand, farmers often use long poles with a cutting clamp at the end to harvest the fruit or carefully pick them by hand to avoid damaging the delicate skin. Typically, rambutans are harvested in clusters rather than individually, which helps reduce handling and minimizes the risk of bruising. During harvest, farmers must ensure that the clusters do not fall to the ground, as this can not only damage the fruit's surface but also significantly reduce its market value. After harvesting, rambutan fruits are sorted and packed immediately at the orchard. Only those that meet specific standards for size, color, and freshness are carefully selected and placed into crates for transportation. These crates are then shipped to wholesale markets, where they are sold to large-scale merchants. To ensure that rambutan reaches consumers while still retaining its freshness and top-notch quality, the fruits are handled with great care throughout the process. During the rambutan season, families often buy them as gifts to enjoy together during family gatherings or simply as a refreshing snack to cool off in the tropical heat. Growing rambutan in Thailand is a rewarding endeavor that requires knowledge, dedication, and meticulous management. From selecting the right seeds or saplings to ensuring proper care, harvesting, and packaging, every step is crucial in producing high-quality fruits that are loved by both domestic and international consumers. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights into the world of regenerative farming. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated on more useful tips, farming techniques, and the latest innovations in agriculture. Regenerative farming is a rewarding journey that combines sustainability and profitability, and we want to keep sharing useful content to support your farming ventures. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best as you embark on your rambutan farming journey. May your crops thrive and your efforts bring you success.